Hi, I'm Thelma of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I have for you a haul from Amazon and Dollar Tree. I'm going to start off with the small one. There's only 3 items from Amazon, and then we'll dive into the Christmas Dollar Tree. So let's get started. Okay, first I have this throw. It's Hocus Pocus for Halloween. As I mentioned before in one of the videos, we're doing a tribute to my late cat Binks. She passed away last year on Halloween Eve, so this year we're doing a tribute to her. And I bought this for my son. He wanted this throw, and it's so big I had to lay it on the bed to show you all the details of this. Now this is a 60 by 80 throw. It's on a king size bed, and it only cost $37 and it was free shipping. But he wanted one with all the characters of the movie in it, and that's what I got him. And up next is the pillowcases that I bought for 4 pillows that I bought for the couch. And these are Hocus Pocus. There's Salem Broom Company, finest quality enchanted brooms. And then up here is Sleepy Hollow Dead and Breakfast. Please book ahead. Look how spooky that house looks up there. And then this one is the Sanderson Sisters Black Flame Candle Company, established 1723. And then it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. And I love how the pillowcase is in black with the white pictures and lettering. And here's these cost $14.99 and free shipping. And these pillows are 18 by 18, and they're real thick and soft, and they're going to be real comfortable. And for 4 of these, they were $24. Okay, that's it on the Amazon. So next we're going to do the Dollar Tree. Okay, and next is the Dollar Tree stuff. It's all Christmas. And let's go ahead and I'll just dive right in. First, I seen this Deco Mesh in black and white. I picked up a few of these, and one in black and red. And now it says Crafter Square. Usually there's like a Christmas circle over here with ornaments and stuff, but now they have, it's tan with a green banner, and it says Crafter Square in it. So that's what the Christmas looks like. That's another one of them. And these are beautiful colors too. I mean, they really stand out. You can't beat that for $1 a row. And I also picked up just 2 things of ribbon. I seen this one, and it's different from last year. I don't know if it's new. I just never seen it, but I'm thinking it is because it's got the new Crafter Square label on it too. And then there's this one. It says Merry Christmas going all the way around it. And again, this is 9 foot long. It's 2.5 inches by 108 inches. And when I seen this, I just stood there looking at it for a second because it's just so beautiful. This is a wall sign. It's the red truck. Look at the snowflakes in the background. It all has this glitter on it. The whole truck is made out of glitter. It has a Christmas tree in the back. They're getting ready to start decorating. And on the bottom it says Merry Christmas with a little holly right there. But look at that. That is just so farmhouse, and it's beautiful. Or if you want, you can flip it on the back and create your own. Or also you can make a Christmas bow, a little one, and put right here or in the corners. Get you some jute rope or twine, wrap it around up here about 5-6 times, and cut it and glue it up in the back, and that'll add some more to it, make it stand out a lot more. And then I knew they had them, but I didn't know if we were going to get them in or not. But I knew we had enough time, because it's only October. But I found the Christmas ornament sign. It says, Merry Christmas from our gnome to yours. And look at the little gnome. I love his little hat. And he's holding a lantern. I just love the detail in this. His little nose is red. And his little outfit. And I love the way they did him. Real beautiful. And then there's this one. It says, Gnome for the holidays. Got a little holly bush in his hat. Little moon on the end of it. And he's holding 2 candy canes. And look at the snowflakes. And the words are in silver. It's just beautiful. Okay. And I picked up a couple more things. I might have already hauled them, but for those of you that's new, this is DIY pins. There's 6 of them. Again, it has the crafter square in the corner, and it's Santa. And on the back, there's little clothespins, so you can flip it. And then there's 6-piece, and they're little snowman. You can, like the other one, you can paint this one any colors you like. Even if you just leave the snowman and just paint the scarf and his nose and buttons and hat and gloves, it'll look real cute like that. And the last one is a little teddy bear. Look how cute and adorable he is. Reminds me of a kid when I used to snuggle up to my little stuffed animal for each holiday. And I picked up some more of these little, excuse me, they were upside down, little ornaments, and they're felt, and they're all red on the back, but look how cute and fluffy the little beard is, and his little nose. You get 2 white hats and 2 red ones, and they're about 3 inches tall. And then there's this LED lights. It says 10-piece, but I think there's 10 lights in this row. It's like a mesh tubing row. And this is the only color I've seen it in, so I went ahead and grabbed another one of them. Okay, and then there's these LED lights, 10-piece. I think there's 10 lights in this mesh tubing, and this is the only color I've seen it in. And I picked up some LED wire lights, some more of these little gnomes. They're just darling. Look at them. And the last things I picked up is these signs. I'll be gnome for Christmas. Look at that little gnome. He's just adorable. He's ready for Christmas. And my battery's about ready to go, so I have to hurry on this. And then the other one is There's No Place Like Gnome for the Holidays. I love his little outfit and the plaid that goes around the black and white. The other one was black and red. And then there's these gnomes with the plaid hat, and he's holding a wreath that says Christmas, welcome, not Christmas, welcome. And the last item is this gnome, and he's holding a present that says Merry Christmas on it. Alright, I want to thank you all for stopping by and checking out my channel.